Hello everyone, welcome to PC Drills, where you find help on how to handle your PC related issues. Today we are going to see how to download and install Firefox on a Windows 10 64-bit PC. So I head over to my Edge browser and I search for Firefox. When you have a newly installed operating system, the only browser you have, especially on Windows, you have only Microsoft Edge. So you can use it to download any other browser that you usually like to use. So for the Firefox, we choose the first link, which is mozilla.org/EnglishUS Firefox/new, and that's the official website to download our Firefox browser. And we simply click on download once on the Firefox page. And you wait for it to start downloading. And when you see this, to download this file, you simply click on save. Installing this browser, you need an active internet connection. It's not offline. So you simply click on open folder after downloading for it to open where it has been stored, and then you double click on the file that you have just downloaded for it to start the installation process. And when prompted with the user account control notification to see if you actually want to allow the software to run, you simply take yes for it to start the installation process. And for the videos, this recorder doesn't seem to get the user account control notification. So when you are doing the installation on your own machine, you might see it, but on the video it won't show up because the screen recorder can't get the notification. And here is our first step for the installation process. Here I first of all had Firefox on this PC, so here is asking me to reinstall and keep the default settings. But for you, when you are installing for the first time, you will see here install, and if you want to edit the default settings, you can change them by unchecking this box. But meanwhile, with this box checked, it simply means you like the default settings. So I want to keep the default settings. I'll just click on reinstall for it to get everything in it and install with the defaults. And I simply wait for it to complete its downloading and installation, because the installation uses an active internet connection and it's just a one-click install. So after this step, I will no more have much to do for it to get running. So I simply wait for it to complete. Here the amount of time you will take will be proportional to your internet speed. So I simply wait for it to complete. Now that our installation has completed, you simply click on finish for it to launch the Firefox browser for the first time. Now our browser has loaded successfully. You can sign in and you can sign up. You can also open your private browser. You can simply start browsing and do your searches. You can customize it to suit all your requirements since we are done with the installation. can also read this help give to how to better use the browser. So that's all about this video. We successfully installed our Firefox, downloaded and installed our Firefox. So thank you for watching. We hope that it was helpful, and we wish that may you like, subscribe and recommend to others. And for any suggestions, may you just keep them at the comments below. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.